In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting OLM file to MBOX format using the BitRecover OLM Converter wizard. To install our BitRecover OLM Converter wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select MBOX option for this tutorial. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully converted OLM files. Click OK, and open the destination folder to access the newly converted files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.